Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am Mr. Gadget Corner. I want talk about specifications of LG V30 Plus. Before that, come on subscribes, so this channel can provide useful information. LG V30 and smartphone was launched in August 2017. The phone comes with a 6.00-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 pixels by 2880 pixels. Display type POLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 million colors. The LG V30 and is powered by January 9 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor, and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 128 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 200 GB via a micro SD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the LG V30 and packs a 16 megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 5 megapixel front shooter for selfies. The LG V30 and runs Android 7.1.2 and is powered by a 3300 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 151.70 x 75.40 x 7.30, height x width x thickness, and weigh 158.00 grams. The LG V30 and is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, headphones, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer, and ambient light sensor. Available colors: Aurora Black, Cloud Silver, Moroccan Blue, Lavender Violet, Raspberry Rose. Price for LG V30 PLUS is $850 version T-Mobile. About LG. Founded in Seoul in 1958 as Gold Star, LG Electronics today makes home appliances, mobiles, tablets, and televisions. LG launched its first Android smartphone in 2009, and its first Android tablet in 2011. The company is known for its flagship G series of smartphones and a wide range of products including smart TVs. Done. Okay, don't forget watching next video. Thanks for watching.